Why India is procuring 31 MQ-9B Predator drones from US to crank up the surveillance apparatus of the armed forces, especially along the line of actual control, LAC, with China. The Sea Guardian drones are being procured for the three services as they can carry out a variety of roles, including maritime surveillance, anti-submarine warfare, and over-the-horizon targeting, among others. While the Indian Air Force and Indian Army will use the drone for taking out critical infrastructure and high-value targets in the worst-case scenario, the Indian Navy will use the armed drone for not only keeping a watch on dark shipping, but also destroying vessels carrying arms and drugs on high seas in the Indo-Pacific. The Predator drone will also deter Chinese spy ships, which are in the Indian Ocean virtually around the year. What are the armaments of the drones? The Predator drone will be a game-changer in the region, as the platform has high endurance, high altitude and lethal weapons to take the fight to the enemy in the hunter-killer role with Hellfire missiles, GBU-39B precision-guided bombs and high-fire rotary cannon has been spearheaded by the Indian Navy. Out of the 31 drones, 16 will be given to the Indian Navy and 8 each to the Indian Army and Indian Air Force, respectively.
What are the capabilities of these drones? These drones are capable of remaining airborne for over 35 hours and can carry 4 Hellfire missiles and around 450 kgs of bombs. In 2020, the Indian Navy had taken on lease 2 MQ-9B Sea Guardian drones from General Atomics for a period of 1 year for surveillance in the Indian Ocean. The lease period has been extended subsequently. What is the status of the procurement? On 10 October 2024, the Cabinet Committee on Security, the CCS, cleared the Indian Armed Forces acquisition from U.S. Defense Major General Atomics through government-to-government route, without involvement of any third party in the $4 billion deal. Under the deal, India will get 31 high-altitude, long-endurance, HALE UAVs, of which the Navy will get 15 Sea Guardian drones, while the Army and the Indian Air Force will get 8 each of the land version, Sky Guardian.
What is the value of the deal? The deal is valued at approximately $4 billion, nearly 40,000 crore rupees. How the deal will boost to the India's defense? The procurement of the MQ-9B drones is part of a broader defense modernization strategy aimed at enhancing India's military posture in the Indo-Pacific region. These drones will serve as vital tools for intelligence gathering, surveillance, and precision strikes, significantly boosting India's ISR capabilities. The deal also includes advanced technologies and weaponry that will further enhance the operational effectiveness of the MQ-9B drones. This package includes 161 embedded global positioning and inertial navigation systems, EGIs, 35 L3 Rio Grande communications, intelligence sensor suites, 170 AGM-104 TOL R, Hellfire missiles, and 310 GBU-39B laser small diameter bombs, LSDB. Together, these systems will enable the Indian Armed Forces to conduct precision strikes and gather critical intelligence with unprecedented accuracy. Don't miss out. Subscribe, like, and comment for more insights on defense tech.